my channel. So we're doing an e.l.f. and a Glamlite haul today. I think it says Glamlite. But yeah, I did, I went shopping and on e.l.f.'s website and She Glams and got a few things. So let's show you what I got. Alright, first thing I got is the Hydrate Ever After skincare mini kit. It comes with the Hydrating Boost Drops, the Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser, the Holy Hydration Face Cream, the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm, and the Holy Hydration Eye Cream. And then I got 2 brushes. I got the Putty blush brush, looks like this, and I got the powder blurring brush, looks like this. I got this free, which is the Putty Primer Trio, which I already have one, so I'm going to see if my sister wants that. I got this free, the Power Grip Primer, which I already have as well. The e.l.f. Skin Moisturizer. I got this free, which I'll try. And then I ordered the Daily Brush Cleaner to clean my brushes in between washing. And then I got the Mint Melt. This is the whole reason I went to e.l.f. was to buy this eyeshadow, because I saw a look done with this eyeshadow quad and I wanted to do that look, and it's the Mint Melt eyeshadow quad. Okay, so from Glamlite, I ordered the Mikayla Part 2 lashes in high fashion. They look like this. I ordered the Strawberry Shortcake Berry Sweet Lip Kit. Looks like this. I ordered the Strawberry Shortcake Berrylicious palette. Looks like this. It's so gorgeous. Pretty berry tones. And then I ordered the Glamlite Red Velvet Cupcake palette. And it opens like this. The palette sits here. The palette looks like this. And it has sprinkles. And it opens like this. It's really pretty. And it goes back in like that. I ordered the Mikayla Part 2 palette. Let's see. This has a color I want to wear to the Dallas Stars game. It looks like this, and it goes like this. I've never tried Glamlite shadows, but it looks like this. So, it looks really gorgeous. I ordered the Mikayla Part 2 Golden Dreams lip set. I ordered the Mikayla Part 2 Daydreamer lashes. And they look gorgeous. I ordered the Part 2 brush set. They look good. So, and the last thing I ordered from Glamlite is the Mikayla X Glamlite Pressed Highlighter. And it looks like this. And let me swatch that for you. And it's right there. Oops, sorry. Okay, sorry about that. My phone rang and then my camera died. So that is everything that I got from e.l.f. and Glamlite. If you like this haul, let me know. Comment in the comment section down below. Give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see. I did put a poll, or I did ask in my community tab, and only one person said they wanted to see more makeup videos. So if you have any ideas of what y'all would like to see, just let me know. I do want to thank you. Have a good day. Bye.